to another video. I've got the TV on in the background, so ignore that please. My room is finally done. Look at it. So I've got one show on at the moment. This is my big cupboard. With clothes in. It's all full of clothes. Down there is just more clothes. Not going to show that because that's privacy. Curtains. Dinosaur. See? That's supposed to be a mini air, but I moved it because I was on call to a friend, and you know who that is if he was on call me. Got one show on at the moment. My desk for any college work or anything. This mini was actually supposed to be up on the window shelf. So yeah, Romans on, and Alex Jones at the moment. And in his cupboard, more storage. And I've got a picture of Bournemouth. Why did that open? Creepy. Got a picture of Bournemouth here. Yeah. And I've got a darts clock. So yeah, I've just had to go on this monitor, and it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. My parents set that up for me, and I just wanted to show you the room that I spoke about ages ago. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys, and yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm so happy for this to be done. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys, and hopefully I can vlog some stuff on that. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.